Air and water are the fundamental building blocks of life. The rich supply of oxygen they contain plays a vital role. A man can go 10 days without food, but won't last 3 without water. He can't survive in a space without oxygen, either as death soon follows when a brain is starved of oxygen. Yet with the overdevelopment of the industrial age, the environment worsens each day, with the air and water becoming badly polluted, so even having a pure and clean natural lifestyle is now a luxury. People have begun looking at O2, the oxygen in the air. By using high-voltage electricity, it is made into O3, or what we call ozone. Not only can it break up poisons and kill germs, but it also has the fantastic effect of removing odors and resisting radiation. Not all ozone is suitable for home use though. The ozone maker has 6 major functions: cleaning fruits and vegetables, purifying toxic water, whitening and vitalizing the skin, improving hair quality through oxygenation, killing germs, removing odors, preventing mold and air purification. With its super strength and negatively charged ions, it offers you a fresher, healthier and safer lifestyle and gives a powerful detoxification effect. The fruit and vegetables we eat every day are juicy and tender, but the better they look, the fewer insect marks they have, the more pesticides was used. The fruit and vegetables we see in the shops all contain too much pesticides. If we absorb too much leftover pesticides, it causes our bodies to become sick. It is also a major cause of cancer, with the ozone maker using 180 units of ozone over 5 minutes. All the remaining pesticides in plants and vegetables are removed, making them safe to eat. To these 2 glasses of water, we add the powerful pesticide DDT. Then into 1 glass, we pump 180 units of ozone. The ozone can remove 99.9% of powerful pesticides such as DDT, eldrin, and parathylene, making it pure parasite-free water. After 20 minutes, we put in a lively goldfish into each glass, and the pesticides has made this one go belly up already. But in the water detoxified using ozone, the fish shows no signs of poisoning and it is swimming around happily, meaning there is no trace of pesticides left. We all know that water may taste odd and contain some sediment. It may also have a lot of germs like E. coli, staphylococcus, and many more. If we ignore them and drink it, the consequences do not bear thinking about. This is why the water we drink every day is filtered and sterilized at the water treatment plant, then sent to our homes. But is this water really clean? Looking through the microscope, we can see there are still a lot of germs. If we drink so many germs each day, how can our bodies be healthy? Tap water is sterilized with chlorine, but too much chlorine can lead to cancer. What should we do about the threat of polluted water? We will perform a test using a chemical dye. First, we drip some of the dye into clear water. Then we treat it with ozone from the ozone maker. Within less than 20 minutes, the water is almost halfway clear. Eventually, it becomes a glass of pure water and there's no need to worry about pollutants harming our health anymore. We can enjoy pure, natural, clean, healthy, oxygen-rich water at any time. Let's do another experiment. In these 2 glasses of water, we add to each a few drops of the OTO chlorine content test reagent, which immediately turns the water a golden color. This indicates there's too much chlorine in the water. Now we pump ozone into 1 glass. After 3 to 5 minutes, the water becomes clear and there's no color change even when more OTO chlorine content test reagent is added, proving that ozone has completely broken down all the chlorine in the water. The ozone-boosted water from the ozone maker can clear up chewing betel nut or smoking stains on your teeth, and there are also medical uses for this germ-killing and detoxifying ozone generator. Problems with the digestive tract such as mouth ulcers, toothaches, duodenal ulcers, constipation, and more will no longer bother you. An aquarium supplied with ozone will stay fresh because the ozone maker brings a deodorization and purifying efficacy to the water. Lastly, use ozone water for the flower arrangement as it can prolong the life. Pouring it onto plants also prevents blight, and vegetable coated with ozone will stay fresh. The ozone-boosted water from the ozone maker has cosmetic and medical effects. Ozone not only sterilizes, deodorizes, and detoxifies tap water, it also increases the water's oxygen content. By washing your face every day with ozone-boosted water, your skin will be oxygenated and vitalized and whitened, wrinkle-free and young-looking. Pimples, moles, and freckles will gradually disappear as well. You can also use the ozone maker to relax with an ozone spa. Not only will it remove fatigue and rejuvenate cells, but it will improve skin conditions such as acne and women's complaints, especially athlete's foot, eczema, rashes, and scars, all of which will enjoy magical improvement within weeks. Next, let us use the rejuvenating effects on fruits and vegetables to understand the magic of ozone maker. In these pictures, the vegetables have been starved for oxygen for some time and are quite severely wilted. But wait, after 2 hours of oxygen therapy from the ozone maker, the root stems and the leaves are gradually showing signs of recovery. Some of the stalks, however, are slower to recover. But after 2 hours of oxygen therapy, each vegetable is almost fully revived. Not only are there healthy stalks, but the leaves are now vibrant and red. They look an even more tantalizing green than before. After washing your hair with ozone-boosted water from the ozone maker, oxygen will be fully absorbed into the hair's roots, thus preventing splits and making the hair silkier and glossier. And at the same time, oxygenating the scalp, improving circulation, promoting hair growth, giving you a clear head, and reducing stress. After prolonged usage, baldness and thinning hair will see an immediate improvement. 3 to 5 minutes, the oil-free ozone maker can kill E. coli, staphylococcus, and other germs, demonstrating its powerful antibacterial capabilities. When the ozone generator is used on seafood, it will remove the smell along with the toxins of oils, so you can enjoy your seafood without worrying about the smell or toxins. At the same time, bacteria, mites, and viruses, which cause asthma and allergic rhinitis, and are quickly killed off by the ozone maker. Poisonous gases such as carbon and monoxide and ammonia are quickly broken down as well. Moldiness and germs lurking inside cupboards, shoe cabinets, or shoes can be completely removed as well. Most washing powders and bleaches on the market contain fluorine agents, which are very harmful to human health, particularly babies. The ozone maker sterilizes and bleaches clothing, completely solving the problem of harmful fluorescent agents. We have placed this raw chicken washed with the water inside a transparent bucket and are now pumping in ozone to utilize the ozone maker's powerful germ-killing capability. After 30 minutes, we find some disgusting-looking froth floating on the water. This shows that the ozone has completely expelled the growth hormones and toxin out of the chicken. Air quality directly affects our health. For example, there are the E. coli bacteria and influenza virus in the air. But even worse is the stench and dioxins from the factory emissions. Cars and motorcycles emit carbon monoxide, and there is also the horror of second smoke. Medical research shows that there are more male smokers than female smokers, but women have 4 times the cancer risk of men. This is mainly due to greasy smoke from the kitchen and carbon monoxide from traffic as well as secondhand smoke. These pollutants can all cause bronchitis, asthma, pulmonary disease, moles, freckles, chronic skin conditions, malignant tumors, and terrible cancers. Air cleaners on the market can only remove the smell of tobacco. They cannot kill germs, detoxify poisons, or remove odors. Whether we are at a meeting or at home with guests, we all want to enjoy the cleanest and freshest air possible. And just because you can't see the smoke doesn't mean you can't smell it. Also, in an enclosed space, if someone has a cold, everyone will catch it. We will now look at how the ozone and negatively charged ions from the ozone maker clean up polluting smoke. Watch carefully as we press the switch with amazing speed. The ozone maker has cleaned up the smoke. The effect of the ozone maker is simply fantastic. Here are some laboratory mice. We will pump gas directly into the jar to give the mouse carbon monoxide poisoning. Look, this mouse is poisoned. We will now save it by starting the ozone maker to release a minute of amount of ozone at 0.1 milligrams per cubic centimeter, which is what humans can tolerate. The appropriate trace amount of ozone can invigorate the metabolism, rejuvenate cells, and delay aging. Look at the mouse. It is now as good as new. If the ozone maker can save the poison mouse, that means that it can clean harmful gases from the atmosphere, and also those that have built up in the human body over time. The Ozone Maker has 6 major functions: cleaning fruits and vegetables, purifying toxic water, whitening and revitalizing the skin, improving hair quality through oxygenation, killing germs, removing odors, preventing mold, and air purification. These functions are now linked to how we eat, dress, travel, and play. Therefore, the Ozone Maker is a good friend to everyone, and every family should have one of these germ-killing and detoxifying ozone generators.